To create a new organization, click on Organizations. You can click to add an organization, register a new organization, and click within the umbrella organizations and departments. You'll enter in the full organization name, as well as any abbreviations that your organization uses. You want to select the appropriate category, list the description, any keywords that would be helpful for someone searching for your organization, and a website if you have one. You can also upload a profile picture. You'll select a registration type, whether it's a department or a student organization. If you have any social media, such as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, we encourage you to share that with us so that we can help to get your name out as well. You'll determine if your registration status is new or renewing, and you'll again select the category you previously identified. It's very important that you select both and make sure that they are the same category that you just identified. You'll want to also, if you don't already have one, it might be a great idea to create a Gmail account that is passed down from year to year within your student organization. It can be the name of your group, it can be whatever you would like, but this is something that is shared publicly and also can be passed down from year to year. You'll want to type in the president's first and last name, the president's phone number, the president's email, and notice that these two will not be public, only the president's name will be visible on the portal. You'll also need to put in the treasurer's name, and the treasurer's email. You'll want to next put in your purpose or mission. What is the purpose or mission of your student organization? This will be public, as well as the goals, and we encourage you to list at least 3 goals that your organization wishes to achieve. Similarly, you'll want to also put the highlights. That's if something really big happens each year within your student organization, you want to be able to highlight that and share that with everyone else. The next step is to upload your constitution, remembering that it needs to include the following: a non-discrimination clause, an election process, description of officers and their respective duties, and an amendment clause. If you have any questions, you can certainly click on the sample constitution link. That will lead you to a Microsoft Word document file that you can utilize to cater to your student organization. Once you've created that student organization constitution, you will upload that here. Next, you'll want to put in your student organization advisor, the office in which they work, and an email address. And it's very important that you put their DePaul email, that way it will be the one linked to their orgsync account. Student organizations are then expected to adhere by all applicable institutional regulations, so take the time to read over the Code of Student Responsibility, the Anti-Discrimination and Anti-Harassment Policy, as well as these bullets, which is the following standards of involvement. Once you agree to those, you can click here and here. Next, you'll have a link to our student organization handbook. Once you've taken the time to read over that, you'll click that you agree. Afterwards, you will take and pass the registration quiz by clicking on this link. It will take you to the quiz, you'll answer the questions, and once you're finished, it's necessary to upload that completed PDF copy. To do that, you'll submit your quiz, click Next, Finish, View Submission, and Download. Then you'll upload your completed copy as PDF, that way your organization can receive credit. So you'll upload registration quiz, making sure that it's the one for your organization. You cannot upload one that is blank, nor one that has been completed for a different organization. Since you are a new organization, it's necessary for you to upload a roster. This will be first and last name, email address, and student ID number for each member of your organization. So once you have uploaded that, you'll notice the next step is an expectation for all members to join the actual portal in addition to the roster that you've just uploaded. This will make sure that you will always be able to know how many members you have that are current, and it's a great way to help you to maximize your organizational development and maintenance opportunities on orgsync. You'll have 4 weeks from the date that your organization is approved to have at least 75% or more of your current members join your portal. you can either invite them or instruct them to search for your group and to join that way. Understanding that if your deadline is not met, your organization will be disabled, so make sure that they take care of that quickly. You'll notice the next steps about SAFB funding, another link to the Student Organization Handbook that can give you more information throughout the year, making sure that you also update your officers each academic year or when there is a change in leadership. If you ever need any help, please contact a Student Involvement Ambassador. Their email is studentorgs@depaul.edu. Once you click Next, you're almost done. You'll notice that your Student Org Advisor will be getting a reviewer notification where they can approve or deny their acceptance of being your advisor for the year. And now your submission has been completed. On our end, we'll go in, take a look at the registration request that we have, click on the organization request that was just submitted, and what we can see is all the information that you have uploaded. Additionally, your student organization advisor will get that same email. They'll be able to take a look, and once they approve or request, we'll be able to approve your organization.